Okay, so we are going to look at how pretty I look there. I'm happy. We're going to do a video.
You orgasmic vaginas.
It's under my butt. No, stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! You're breaking me.
I'm not.
Give it back.
You're calling my dad. You orgasmic vaginas.
Okay.
Look at that. You can't see it. Oh wow.
Well, we're going to watch a scary video. I look scared. It was her idea. But yeah. Okay. Stop it! You're kind of a sprat.
Yes, what's her pet's birthday?
Oh God.
Yes, that's one way of communicating. Sounded like she was on the other side of the door doing this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna go down here probably against my better judgment. But Madeline, I want to talk with you. You're making a lot of noise. Is there anything that I can do to help you to where you're not as noisy anymore?
What do you say?
Whoa. Did you hear that? Madeline, are you trying to play a prank on me? What are you doing?
Oh my gosh!
I'm scared.
Whoa.
Oh my God, I'm scared.
She ran through that damn door. That's crazy. Madeline? You up here? Okay. The clock's on the floor. She doesn't like time, I don't guess. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. Madeline, you here? Can you show yourself? Can you show yourself to the camera?
No, don't show yourself. Don't show yourself.
Can you? Can you show yourself to the camera?
No, don't.
Madeline, are you here?
No, she's not there.
Whoa.
Whoa.
More book stacking, I see here.
I know I look really bad. I'm
Weird
sorry.
stuff going on.
I don't want to watch this, Karen.
Okay.
The door's closed.
That was weird. The door just closed.
Wow, then that scared me. Dude, wasn't as scary as I expected. Trusty pillows I get here. Ugh. Oh, gee. Okay, well, that was our reaction to. If you want to watch the video, it's called Real Ghost Girl Caught on Tape Video 9, and then like a little slashy thing, The Haunting, and then other little slashy thing, like the one that goes like meow. You mean a bracket? Yeah, that thing. So, the Real Ghost Girl Caught on Tape 9 bracket, The Haunting bracket. End. See if you were as scared as we were.